Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. Not as straightforward as Land Rover Jaguar products normally are to do, but easy enough once you know how. So you can be on any screen, for instance, we're on SatNav. So long as there's no phone connected to the Bluetooth, all you have to do, go to settings here, which are the two cogs, onto settings. So we click that and you've got navigation settings, all settings, audio settings. We want all settings. Then you've got general, features, languages, connectivity. Go to connectivity. You've got Bluetooth, click Bluetooth. And now you've got pair new device, paired devices and forget all devices. Click that, wipes the memory out completely. We just want to knock one phone off. So paired devices. And there you see Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro. Again, it's come up connect. I don't want to connect, but click on it and then it brings up the next menu. You'll see there if you're having trouble playing audio, just make sure that you do exactly the same thing. Make sure there's a tick in the audio. Auto connect phone on, primary phone. Well, actually, it would have been my primary phone, but I want to forget it. I want to delete it, so click forget device there. And that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. Sorry about the cold. Right, so got the phone, it's on SatNav at the moment. We go over to phone or we go to home. Home's easiest. Home, picture of the house, tap to connect phone, tap. Showing I can connect to that phone if that phone's in the car. Pair new device. And then we go to settings, onto Bluetooth, watching out for Bluetooth at the bottom. Use device to search for Jaguar I-Pace. So we're watching out for Jaguar I-Pace at the bottom. Jaguar. Click on Jaguar. Bluetooth pairing request 906947. Verify these numbers match the display on Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, they do. So yes, and pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Use Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro to personalise your in-vehicle experience. I don't want to do that at the moment, but that should, it's showing connected there. If I go to the top, where's it gone? Jaguar I-Pace connected there. So we're all connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone via the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. Easy enough. All we need to do, we go to music. We're playing record here, but at the bottom there you'll see the car symbol. If I click on that, it's showing if there's a tick next to iPhone, the music will play through the iPhone, but we want the tick next to Jaguar I-Pace, so that's it. Go back to the record, we'll click play. Now over to the system. Nothing's playing at the moment, but you see there the musical note and the clapperboard. We click on that.
George said Pat was really nice to him.
So that's just playing the radio at the moment. We don't want that. It's on radio. Now what you have to do in order to play any sound from here, whether it be Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Prime Music, whatever, we click on the source button and there you go, Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro. That's it, playing music from the phone. Easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the SatNav in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. Again, easy enough to do. At the moment it's on music. What we need to do, you see there's the SatNav graphic, or you can just click home. You've got here navigation, you've got search, end destination. Click on search. Search for an address, place or keyword. So we're on there. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Jaguar system, even though it's only 2 digits, you don't need to put a space in. So PR5 4EA, PR5 4EA, that's what we want. We click the green, return, searching for it. Were you looking for this PR5 4EA? Of course I wasn't looking for that. That's why I've just typed all those letters in, because I wasn't looking for it. So you click on there, goes green, and then you've got to click start.
After 150 yards, you will reach your destination.
It's saying that because we're sat on the forecourt. So that's how you set the SatNav. Okay, so the best thing about the audio system in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace is it's got Apple Carplay. It has Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming, normal SatNav. But what you need, your charging lead. So charging lead into one of the USB sockets in the armrest, into your phone. Now we'll watch out for this. As soon as I plug it in, launch device with Apple CarPlay. I want to remember that for this device and click Apple CarPlay. Now we're just watching out CarPlay. What it should have given me the option there to do is to use Apple CarPlay without the need.
The Angus's, Susan and Clary are in the dairy tomorrow morning, and then...
Shut up. There you go. So it's come up now. Finish setting up CarPlay, so we'll click on there. Allow CarPlay with Jaguar I-Pace while phone is locked. Allow. I don't need to touch my phone. From now on, I don't need to touch. So that's working. Now, this is great. It also keeps your phone charged. However, a firm sent me this a few weeks ago, and I use this now in all my cars. That's it. It's a Linky Fun Bluetooth wireless adapter. All I have to do, if I undo that, take that out, plug that little thing into the USB socket. That's it. So it's now wireless. I'll show you how to set it up in another video. I have done other videos, but now it's wireless. So all you have to do now, you want to go somewhere, you don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel. You can say, hey, SIRI, and tell it what to do like that. I'm not doing that because if I say that, it will probably tell your phone at home to do the same thing or wherever you're listening to this. So, voice activation button. 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You see the go button comes up there. You don't need to touch it. You've told it what you want to do. It will assume that that's what you want to do. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. You can add another stop on the way. Again, you don't have to do anything. Take me to Costa Coffee.
One option I see is Costa Coffee on Lancaster Way in Buckshaw. It adds 9 minutes to your route. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Costa Coffee.
So I've just added a little detour for a coffee on the way to Manchester Airport, and it's that simple. If I want to cancel navigation, cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
Now if I just click on there to show you, so that's playing share there. If I just want to play one record, again 2 seconds. Play Goldfinger by Shirley Bassey.
Now playing Goldfinger by Shirley Bassey on Apple Music.
Goldfinger!
Meridian speakers in this I-Pace. It's absolutely fantastic. You want to send a text? Text Barrie.
What would you like to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Jaguar I-Pace. It's really fantastic.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Jaguar app. It's really fantastic. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
So that sent a message. You'll see there the message has come up on my phone. However, if you're driving, you're not allowed to touch your phone. You've just got a message. You want to know what's happening. I'll just show you here. Look, there's a little one come up on the messages. So you can't touch your phone and you can't read your messages. What you can do is read messages.
Barrie said, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Jaguar app. It's really fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.